Welcome back to Top 5 Repairs. Today's topic, I'm going to explain why you're hearing clunking noise when shifting from park to reverse or park to drive. The first common reason why you're hearing that clunking noise when shifting from park to drive or park to reverse, it is going to be caused by a worn rubber on the engine mount or transmission mount. When the rubber is worn, it is going to cause the mount to move when you're shifting from park to drive or park to reverse. The next reason, it is going to be caused by a bad axle. When the axle is wearing out around the joint area, that is where the bearing is at. And again, when you shift from park to reverse or park to drive, it is going to make that clunking noise. Also, if the axle is not pushed in all the way in the transmission and is not seated properly, it can also cause a clunking noise. Same goes to the other side. The spline on the axle must get pushed in all the way into the hub in the steering knuckle area. And again, if it is loose and there is a gap, it can cause a clunking noise because it can move freely inside out. The next reason is going to be caused by a worn U-joint on the drive shaft. When that U-joint is worn out, it is going to make a clicking noise, a popping noise, a clunking noise when shifting from park to drive. So what you want to do is you want to go underneath the vehicle. Most likely it's going to be a truck, and you want to grab the U-joint and you want to grab it and you want to move it around. If it makes that clunking noise, that's how you know it is time to replace it. The next reason, it is going to be a differential problem. So when you're hearing some sort of noise when shifting from park to drive or park to reverse, it could mean that you might have a differential issue. For example, in the ring and pinion, there might be too much backlash and it can cause that noise. The next reason why you're hearing that clunking noise when shifting from park to reverse or park to drive, it is going to be caused by a bad automatic transmission. When the internal component inside the transmission is failing, for example, if the planetary gear is broken or one of the tooth is stripped, it can cause that clunking noise. Also, if the clutch pack inside the automatic transmission is worn out, it can also make a clunking noise or some sort of noise. The next reason, it is going to be caused by the parking pawl unlocking under load. So the parking pawl is located inside the automatic transmission. Again, when it is unlocking under load, when shifting from park to drive or park to reverse, it is going to make that clunking noise, and sometimes it is normal for some vehicle. The most common issue why you're hearing that clunking noise is going to be caused by a bad engine mount or transmission mount. And the quickest way to check for a bad engine mount or transmission mount is to look at the engine when shifting from park to reverse or park to drive. When you see that engine hop slightly and it goes up a little bit when shifting gears, that's how you know you have a bad engine mount. I hope you found that video useful. As always, thank you for watching and subscribe to Top 5 Auto Repairs.